Jesus. What is so fascinating about this Jesus? Has he more gold than me? What's so special about this man? Really? Is this Jesus? God? I want to see him too. Did I hear you right? A treasure in heaven? He can give me treasure in heaven? I must find the high place. Oh, there's the sycamore tree. He might shout out loud how wicked I am. I can't believe this. This Jesus stopped and he looked up on me. He called my name. Yes, he knows my name. I must come down quickly. What? You're coming to my house? From this day forth, Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, now I realize I can't serve two masters. I can't serve God and Mammon at the same time. I'm sorry for what I have done. I will return to all people whom I defrauded 4 times. Praise to thee, my Lord and my God. Zacchaeus.